It's no surprise that with characters like Thing and Metal Armor Spider-Man, that this is a heavy, heavy package. This is the Toy Biz Heavy Metal Heroes Diecast Metal 3-pack, I guess, with the Lizard, Armor, Spider-Man, and the Thing, Mr. Benjamin Grimm. This is from 1999, which is later than I thought, because I think they released these earlier. I remember having some, so I think they might have re-released these, but either way. Yeah, these are heavy. I mean, these are some, you look at them, they're pretty small. Obviously, they're maybe 3 inches. Let's find something that's 3 yeah, so about 3 inches. But, yeah, they're heavy. So, pretty durable. I have a Kingpin downstairs. I think I used to have that one as well. The Kingpin one is cool because he's obviously large and he's pretty heavy. You could kill a man with that thing. But these guys, I have noticed that they lose their paint often. Or I guess I should say they're kind of easy to scratch. But yeah, this thing right here, this Ben Grimm, he is a heavy dude. And yeah, you can see kind of on his panties that, I believe this is 95. So they must have re-released these. Because I definitely remember having some of these as a kid. Uh-oh. The lizard lost his tail. I don't know if that's going to go back in there. And I don't know, I always thought these were kind of weird. I mean, they're cool, especially if you're, obviously if you're a comic fan and if you're a kid in the 90s, but I mean, they have some articulation, but I don't know. I mean, I guess they just are supposed to, maybe just look cool on your shelf. I don't know. I mean, why would you pick these over the actual action figures is what I'm wondering. I mean, they're well done. I mean, that's some good sculpting on that. And the paint application is cool. But, yeah, I don't know. I remember seeing a lot of these. As a kid, they had X-Men ones. They had those 2-packs. Some of them were metallic. And I don't know. I didn't know why you might want these. I mean, he's pretty cool. He looks cool on a shelf. But as a kid, you're not really going to play with them. I don't know. Maybe they fit in your pocket better or something like that. So there we have it. The Lizard, the Spider-Man Thing, created by Jack Kirby. My favorite comic book dude. You see I got a couple Jack Kirby books up there. There might be some of the Impossible Man. You got some Fantastic Four and Thor, Captain America and the Falcon, Jimmy Olsen. Love me some Jack Kirby, Black Panther. It's a Kirby book. So yeah, there we go. Marvel, Toy Biz, Diecast, Heavy Metal Heroes. So I guess they're, I don't know, heavy metal. Maybe they're really into Winger. Maybe that's like their favorite band. So thanks for watching. These guys are cool. They're going to fight this guy. This is Terminator 2, T-800, I think, and he's metal too. You can see they're kind of, maybe I can record some music with these guys because they're metal and they're heavy. So, toodaloo.